What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. And welcome back to Vlogmas Day 21. Oh my goodness, we're almost done. We have 10 more days of me posting every single day. Today we are making another custom hoodie, Tapestry hoodie. So I do have my custom fabric. If you guys are wanting a specific video, make sure to comment down below. I know on my last video, someone asked me to make a bomber jacket, so I will be making a custom bomber jacket soon. Just make sure to subscribe, turn on that post bell notification so you can be notified every single time that I post. Before we even get into the video, make sure to drop that like, comment down below. As always, stay positive. Let's get to it. All right, y'all. So obviously, we are going to lay our fabric flat, and we're going to start by cutting out all of our panels. So we're going to need our front, our back, our two sleeves, and our hood. So laying the fabric flat, we're just going to take our pattern, whatever hoodie pattern that you have, you're just going to use it to cut out on the fabric. Lay the hoodie or your pattern flat on where you want your back and front pieces to be. In my case, I want my back to be here, and we are going to cut these out. All right, y'all, so I got all of the pieces cut out. So we have the front and the back piece here. We have two sleeves, and then we have both sides of the hood. And I also did cut out some fabric so I can line the hood. Now that we got all of our pieces cut out, now it's time to assemble them all together. Starting with the front and back pieces, we are going to sew the shoulder lines together. All right, now that we got the front and backs all sewn together, now it's time to add the sleeves. So it doesn't matter what side goes to what because the sleeves are universal. We are going to connect the sleeves now. All right, y'all, so we got the sleeves all attached, and we have still the opening on the underarm and on the side that we're about to close up. But before we do, we are going to go ahead and just press all of our seams quick, and then also hem the bottom of the sleeves and the bottom of the waistband. So let's do that, and then we'll close everything up and then add the hood. All right, yeah, so I hemmed up the waist part and the wrist part. Now all I'm going to do is go ahead and close up the entire sleeve. So sewing all the way from the wrist to the armpit all the way down to the waist. I got it all closed up and sewn together. Now is the most fun part, adding the hood and then cutting off all the excess fabric. Let's get to it. We're almost done. All we really have to do is just add that, cut it all off, and then flip it inside out, and we'll have the finished product. All right, yeah, so we got to the final product, the whole hoodie. I don't know how much I actually recorded because I feel like I hit flow state and I just was trying to get it done. So we do got the finished hoodie. It's just a regular hoodie, ones that I always make. If you guys want to see an in-depth tutorial, please let me know down in the comment section. As always, make sure to smash that like button and stay positive. You know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.